A Walmart subscription does not automatically include Paramount, so seeing an access denied message is often caused by an account linking problem, a sign-in mismatch, or trying to use a benefit that is no longer available through your membership. By the end of this video, you'll know how to check whether your benefit is active, reconnect your accounts if needed, and fix the most common reasons access is denied. Start by confirming which streaming benefit your Walmart account currently includes. Open the Walmart app or sign in on walmart.com. Go to your Walmart membership page and look for the entertainment benefits listed there. If Paramount is not shown as an active benefit, signing into Paramount with your Walmart credentials will not work because the benefit is not attached to your membership. If your account does include a Paramount benefit, make sure you're signing into the correct Paramount account. A common mistake is creating multiple accounts with different email addresses. If Walmart is linked to one email but you sign into Paramount with another, you'll usually see an access error instead of your subscription. Next, return to the Walmart benefits page and select the option to manage or reconnect your streaming benefit if it's available. If the connection was interrupted after a membership renewal, payment update, or account change, unlinking and linking the benefit again often refreshes your access. If that doesn't solve it, sign out of both the Walmart app and the Paramount app. Close both apps completely, then sign back in. If you're watching on a smart TV or streaming device, restart that device before opening Paramount again. This clears cached account information that may still be tied to an expired or incorrect session. Another thing to check is whether your Walmart membership is active. Open your account's settings and verify that your membership hasn't expired, been canceled, or encountered a billing issue. Streaming benefits usually stop working if the membership is no longer active. If you're using the Paramount website instead of the app, clear your browser's cache and cookies or try a different browser. Browser data can sometimes keep an old login session, even after you've successfully reconnected your accounts. If you've confirmed your membership is active, you're using the correct email, and reconnecting the benefit still doesn't restore access, contact Walmart customer care or Paramount support. Tell them the email address linked to your Walmart membership and describe the exact access denied message you're seeing, so they can verify the account connection. To recap, verify your current Walmart streaming benefit, use the correct Paramount account, reconnect the benefit if needed, confirm your membership is active, and refresh your apps or browser before contacting support. If this guide helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick fixes for Walmart and other everyday apps.